Welcome to qnawire.
The cost per unit seen in dollars of producing X off-road 4x4 ATVs at a local manufacturing plant is given by the function C. We want to find the number of off-road 4x4 ATVs that must be manufactured to minimize the cost. So if you're doing this by hand, this is going to happen at the vertex. The vertex is going to occur at opposite b over 2a in a quadratic, where in this instance, the b value is negative 752 over 2 times the a value. So it'd be 752 over 4, which is 188. And so that would be the number of off-road 4x4 ATVs to manufacture would be 188 of them. And the minimum cost would be C of 188, which let's go to a calculator here. It would be 2 times 188 squared minus 752 times 188 plus 72,568. And so that comes out to 1880. The minimum cost is $1,880 per unit.